Despite having an ERP system in place, Hunt needed an intelligent customer order system tracking system to understand where products were in the manufacturing process and to ensure the correct materials were loaded onto the right truck. As a leader in efficient automation, ValuTrack met with their team to design a system that combined dependable technologies with intelligent insights.
When our orders come in from our customers, we are able to enter into the HAL Traxx system and print off our RFID tags and our box labels.
The HAL Traxx database updates the Access program I use for scheduling. Since we implemented the HAL Traxx system, I receive updated information on all of our orders, which allows me to give our customers accurate ship dates. Before this, I had to go to the production floor with a yellow pad and a pen and gather this information. Using the Zebra scanner, which gives us updated information.
After the fabric is cut, fabric panels are given to the sewers. As the fabric cutter scans the tags with a Zebra TC52, his payroll is updated and the system will show each tag given to a specific sewer. The sewer scans the tags which have been attached to the sewn upholstery covers at a scanning station using a Zebra scanner. Their payroll is updated and the upholstery supervisor can see how many covers are ready for the next process. The sewer can print a report showing the tags they scanned. They can use this report to verify their payroll is correct. To learn more about how ValuTrack grows inventory control, contact us and schedule your free assessment to explore your own tailored solution.